Hello everyone, I'm Shreya and I welcome you back in this machine learning tutorial series. As in the previous video, we went through the basic concept of support vector machine, and we saw that that is hyperplane, and we can say the different structures that we went through. How we can divide, like hyperplane was there, and how we can divide it in classes, and what is called the support vector, or we can say uh, the eternal points that we were discussed in the previous videos. And there we saw that we have to minimize, like there should be a algorithm to minimize the distance, to get the fit line, that is hyperplane fit line, based on the d1 plus d2 value that we get. And we also saw in the with the help of diagram also, that how we can, like uh, get the value of d1 and d2 with the point that we have, in the both the classes. And now we will now see the application of support vector machine. So so there are different applications of the support vector machine, that is face detection, text and hypertext categorizations, classification of images, bioinformatics, protein fold and remote homology detections, and handwriting recognition, generalized predictive control, that is GPC. So we will see it one by one. So what exactly the face detection we do with the help of like support vector machine is that VMC, that is, as we have already discussed, that SVMC is a support vector machine classify parts of the image as a face and non-face, and create a square boundary around the face. So this is how it works, like support vector machine classifier works. Now the next is SVMS, allows text and hypertext categorizations for both inductive and transductive models. They use training data to classify documents into different categories. It categorizes on the basis of the source generated, and then, like, the source categorizes on the basis of the source generated and then compares the threshold value. Talking about classification of the image, use of SBMs provides better search accuracy for image classification. It provides better accuracy in comparison to the traditional query based searching techniques. Talking about bioinformatics, it includes protein classification and cancer classification. We use SBM for identifying the classification of genes, patients on the basis of genes and other biological problems. Talking about protein fold and remote homology detections, apply SVM algorithms for protein remote homology detections. Handwriting recognition, we use SVMs to recognize handwriting characters used widely. And talking about the generalized predictive control, that is actually is GPC, use SVM based GPC to control aquatic dynamics with useful parameters. So these are very much like these one, that is generalized predictive control and bioinformatics. These are a very complex, complex projects. So we will be doing some smaller projects in our demo. And these, like face detection and text and hypertext categorizations, and classification of the images, and handwriting recognition, these four are very much useful, in like very much good project to work upon. And that's all in this video. Hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Stay blessed.